In this video, I will explain how you can easily share Twig Education content with your students using authenticated URLs. Authenticated URLs allow you to share content directly with your students using a direct access link. This means that they don't have to log in before they access the content. You should have got an authenticated URL from your ministry that you will use to create the specific URLs for the content. You should have got an authenticated URL from your ministry, which you should use to create the specific URLs going to the content that you want to share with your students. First, you want to go into the platform that you are using, so either Twig, TigTag or TigTag Junior, and find the video that you want to share. If you're unsure about how to find content, we have videos explaining how to do this for each platform as well. Check out the link in the description to find these videos. So if you go to Twig, I'm going to use this film here. And all you want to do is go into this top bar and copy the URL. So you can do this with either Control-C or Command-C, or just by right-clicking and hitting copy. Then you want to go back into this spreadsheet. We have 3 different tabs for the specific products. So I'm going to go into Twig here, and then I'm going to paste this into column A. When I paste it, I get an automatically generated URL in column B. This is the authenticated URL that you want to share with your students. So you can copy this, again using Control-C or Command-C, or right-clicking and choosing copy. And then you can paste this into a presentation, an email, a document, or a learning management system that allows you to share it with your students. In column C, you also get a link to Google Classroom. If you go into this link, you can directly share the content with your class through Google Classroom. Choose the class that you want to share this with, and then you can do it as create assignment or create material. So if you click create assignment, you would then hit go in the bottom right hand corner. And then you can give your assignment a title, add instructions, set a due date, and so on, and then you would hit assign, and that would get sent to your students. So if you're using Google Classroom, that's a really quick and easy way to do it. Otherwise, just use this authenticated URL in column B. It works the same for TigTag and TigTag Junior as well. So if I wanted to share something from TigTag, I would again find a video. So I'm going to copy this URL up here, and then I'm going to paste it into an empty box in the column A, and that will generate a URL in column B. So I can either copy this and share that with my class, or I can do it through Google Classroom if I'm using that. You just want to make sure that this has the same formula, otherwise you will not get a generated URL. So if you get to this here, you want to just copy this, paste that there, and then you can paste your URL, and that will work. Whereas if you paste it in column A and there's nothing in the corresponding column B, you won't get anything. So if you're running out of these, you can just again copy and paste, or you can highlight these and just drag them down to make more. So that's how you can use authenticated URLs to directly share content with your students. This is a great way to add some engaging and visual content to your existing distance learning lesson plans. We also have supporting lesson materials so that you can put together lesson plans around the video content that you've found.